2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, CD changer, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.